Education girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Today we're going to be talking about how Wi-Fi works.
So let's begin.
How many times have you used the internet today? Count every time you use a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Add to that any television shows or movies you've streamed. We bet you've already lost count.
Here at Education Girls, the internet is part of our everyday lives, obviously. However, it wasn't always this way. Developers created the Wi-Fi in the early 1990s, but it wasn't available in homes until 1999. After that, it became very widespread in schools and businesses. Today, many people consider Wi-Fi a great necessity.
Most people use Wi-Fi daily, but many of us don't know how it works. It's less complicated than you might think. Have you ever used a radio or have you used a walkie-talkie or cell phone? Like these devices, Wi-Fi uses radio waves to send information.
Don't worry though, you won't be hurting your home's Wi-Fi connection by using your cell phone. That's because cell phones and Wi-Fi use different frequencies to avoid getting in each other's way. Frequency is the speed of radio waves that a device uses.
We measure frequency in hertz, just like we measure distance in miles. Each hertz is 1 radio wave per second. A megahertz is 1 million hertz, and a gigahertz is 1 billion hertz. Higher frequencies send more data per second. So devices use different frequencies based on the amount of data they need to send.
But before we go any further, don't forget about the question of the day. Today's question of the day is going to be introduced by 2 special guests. So let's welcome them.
Their names are
Sam
and
Jack.
So what is our question of the day, boys?
How many hits of Wi-Fi do you think you transport?
Email to the business inquiries email. If you don't know how to, we will show you right now.
So this is the Education Girls YouTube channel. As you can see, we are on the home page of the channel. So let's see how you can get the business inquiries email. So as you can see, there's home, videos, playlist, channels, discussion, and about. So let's go to the about section of our channel. So as you can see the description of our channel. This is where we tell you about our channel. But if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there's another segment called details. And it says for business inquiries, view email address. Now, click the view email address button and click I'm not a robot and press submit. Then you will be able to see the email. Copy and paste this email into your Gmail web browser. Thanks!
Continue from before. So for example, walkie-talkies work at the frequency of 462 megahertz. Most cell phones use 800 megahertz. Your home Wi-Fi router is either on 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz, meaning 2.4 or 5 billion waves per second. Oh, that is fast.
So, how does Wi-Fi bring you to Education Girls? When you tell your computer where you want to go, it sends that information to a router using its assigned frequency. The router then finds the Education Girls YouTube channel and sends it back to your computer. This happens each time you click on one of our new videos.
Thanks to Wi-Fi, information flies at billions or gigahertz of waves per second. Still, developers are making new improvements to Wi-Fi daily. What will be the next big break in internet technology?
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our channel.
And smash that bell.
Don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Please like this video.
Bye!